Welcome to Dave's Kitchen, and we're just gonna do a quick appetizer here. So we're gonna do shrimp and mushroom caps, and it's gonna have like some garlic butter and breadcrumbs seasoned with parmesan over top. Now, this is gonna be quick. I'm gonna do another one after this, but I watched a bunch of videos like today, and you know what? I'm trying to keep this stuff like low fat, low calorie, whatever. But if you want something that's like heavier, I can do it with the best of them. No problem. Heavy creams, butters, all that kind of stuff. Just let me know. All you gotta do is put it in the comments. So, when you subscribe or hit the like button or make comments, just tell me what you want. Let's get started. Okay, I've got a bunch of mushroom caps here. I took the stems out and I took the little scaly things out. I don't know if you can see it, but I took the little scaly things out. So, what we're going to do is cook these things down, cap side down, because, you know, like we need to put some shrimp in there, and I'm just going to put these stems because, well, they're good to kind of munch on. That's what I like to do anyways. Munch on them in the meantime. Okay, I've flipped these mushrooms over, and I'm going to keep sauteing the stems here because I like to munch on those. So the other reason is that these mushrooms collect moisture, water, inside the top. So you flip them over and it gets rid of all that moisture. The inside gets sauteed a little bit, and then we're going to put them in this little dish here and put them in the oven. Okay, so right now, right now they're ready. Okay, so let's take them out, and we're going to fill them. And we're going to fill them with shrimp. But what I'm going to do first is saute the shrimp quickly. And everything is going to be cooked when it goes in, so it won't take long. There we go. Okay, so we're going to take the stems out and we're going to put the shrimp in. And the shrimp, it's only going to take like a minute or so on each side. I know it's hot, but it's not going to take long. And I had them in paper towel just to dry them out. We're going to add like a little bit of pepper. And we're going to add just a tiny bit of salt. And we're also going to add, oh, I already got some out here. Okay, so we're going to add about a quarter cup of white wine. And it's not going to take them long. It's only until they become pink. And once they become pink, what I got here is a mixture of butter, parmesan, lemon juice, Old Bay, salt, pepper, garlic, a couple cloves of garlic. I'll put the recipe, I'll put this in the description because this is going to be the main part. And then I got some breadcrumbs. And these breadcrumbs are panko. And they're already seasoned. If they weren't, I would put in salt, pepper, Old Bay. They already have that. And I just added some parmesan to them. Okay, so these are done. And let's take these and we're just going to add them. What I'm going to do is we're going to put like a little dollop of butter on each one. Okay? And I know it's kind of like, but you know what? Like I checked some of these other videos. And these videos, like these people cook stuff and it comes out like a grease pit. It's ridiculous. You know, so I'm not doing it like a grease pit. I'm just doing it like to make it tasty. Okay, so there you got a little dollop on each one. Add some breadcrumbs. And it doesn't matter if they fall on the bottom. Just add some breadcrumbs. You know, with some parmesan mixed in. And then what we're going to do is put that in the oven. 400 degrees, already preheated. Until it becomes juicy, brown. And we're also going to put a couple, I figured I'd do a couple crostinis. We're going to put those. Okay, folks. I got shrimp and mushroom caps, and I just topped it with a little bit of cilantro. And I got crostinis, and I put some of the same garlic butter on with Parmesan cheese, topped it with cilantro. And I got the same thing here. Crunchy on top. And that's it. So, you know what? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and we're coming back with another one shortly. But this is a quick appetizer. Shrimps and mushroom caps. And you know what? It doesn't take long. It takes minutes to do. And you're going to love it. Okay, so subscribe. Do everything you need to do. And take care. Stay safe.